Well, you know, when I look at that, I think to myself, I should be fishing again. I've always had a fishing licence in the Netherlands, but over the last couple of years, with Rung being very ill, and we were effectively Siamese twins attached to the hip, there was very little I could do. In fact, nothing I could do without her, which is all about true love, and that's the way it should be. But anyway, moving on to football, which is the reason you're here, and football pertaining to our game with the N-word on Sunday. And Liam Mannjng, the N-word's manager, has suggested bizarrely that he thinks it's a good time to be playing town. I can't get my head around that, because the N-word hasn't won in the last 3 or 4 matches, 4 in fact, without a win. So good time to be playing town. I think it's possibly the worst time, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm mildly optimistic that town will get something from the game. I think Marcelo Nunes won't play from the start. I think we'll have Jens Kajust back. I hope so anyway. And 4 Irish players with Ipswich connections being called up to the Republic's squad for the games in the international break. And they include, or they are in fact, Gio Ogbene, which we are not surprised about, Cassie McAteer, Sammy Smodics, and last but not least, our captain Dara O'Shea. No surprise there really. There will be a surprise though if we don't break our duck against the N-word on Sunday, because I think this is the perfect time to be playing them, contrary to what Liam Mannjng is suggesting. And I think we will get over the line quite convincingly if we get an early goal. That's how I see it. How do you see it? Love your views on the subject. And in the meantime, what we say, appetite!